Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel to watch more videos. Today we will discuss about on the Dumba breed. The Hasht Nagri Dumba is popular in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. And the Dumba has very broad tail, fat tail. And another type of Dumba is Ghazi Dumba. And the Balochi Dumba is common in Pakistan and Iran. Kandhari Dumba is valued for meat and fat. It is popular for its fat tail.